Hey guys, welcome to another episode of whatever. I'm using my phone camera at the moment because my usual camera I left in my friend's car over the weekend, and I had my other camera that I brought with me, but it's occupied at the moment. So I'm just gonna use my phone camera. I've been wanting to make this video for a while now, but I never really could pull it off considering I don't have a tripod. But I'm gonna try some cooking today, and by cooking, I mean making it up as I go. So let's... So yeah, let's see. What do we have in my grandparents' kitchen? I can see those croissants. Alright. Toast those within that toaster oven. Let's see. I don't know. Ooh, eggs. Eggs are nice. Oh, grapes. Ooh, chicken meatballs. Look at this. Rotisserie chicken. Too complicated. Ooh. We also got yeah, I can't pull those out. Oh, it's a ham and what is that? I can't read that. Oh, and then there's the rice. Chicken adobo. Alright. That sounds fun. All I have to do is just heat that up, but that's not what I'm trying to do today. So let's grab these. And nothing else over here. And let's use one of these. Let's see what I can do. I made a burger once with croissant as a bun, so let's see what happens. So first, what you're gonna do is cut the croissant in half. Plate I used last night. Alright, so you're gonna cut the croissant in half. Should have refrigerated these croissants though. Would you believe me if I told you I ate these all? Because I did. I'm the only one that was eating them. And now there's, not counting this one, four left. I'm fat. I got so much carbs. That's good enough. So now I'm gonna plug in the toaster oven. Make sure that the power is on. It's not gonna say anything until you put things in it. And now put these halves into the toaster oven. With this camera work, I could be like how to basic. That's where the eggs come in. Oh, that dropped. Alright, now. That should do it. Now, what you're going to want to do is heat these bad boys up. Let's see, judging by the size of this croissant, I'd say like 3 should be fine. I mean, I'll microwave some more because like they're pretty good. So. I'm pretty sure I washed my hands. Pretty sure I'm supposed to use a frying pan and not the microwave, but oh well. How much it's up, like. These seem ready. They're pretty hot. That kind of hurt. Oh. Yay! What? No, hell. Got it. Now for the taste test. Thank you, centerpiece, for being in my way. I'd move it, but I don't want to break it. It's not bad, but I feel like it's missing something. Maybe spaghetti. But the only noodles in this house are the ramen noodles, and I don't have enough battery in my phone to do that. Nor do I have the motivation to do that. So, I'm not gonna do that. But this isn't bad, but it just tastes like the tastes cancel each other out. They don't really. It's not a bad clash, but like I can taste both of them separately, not like as one thing together. 7 out of 10, what do you again though? Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Maybe I'll cook again. Maybe I'll cook actual food.
Yes.